Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways to make some adorable sunshine painted rocks. Let's get started. The rocks I'm using are kind of small, so I'm going to use a paint bottle to trace a circle onto my rock to get a nice round start for my sunshine. Next, I'm going to take some Liquitex gesso and give a base coat to this initial circle. We're going to be working with yellows and oranges, which typically are a little trickier to get solid coverage with. So the gesso helps give a nice base coat as well as kind of fill in any of the bumps on the rock. Now I'm going to take this Folk Art Enamels paint. It's a multi-surface paint, so it gets a little bit better coverage, and I'm just going to fill in the entire circle of our sunshine. And you may need to come back and do another coat just to make sure you have full coverage over your sunshine. Now I'm going to come back to that gesso and I'm going to make another border around the sunshine. So I'm starting by just making a ring, and then I'm going to come back and start making some little peaks that create some rays of sunshine that kind of resemble little flames in a way. So I'm just going to make these kind of flowy triangular shapes all the way around our sunshine. Now I'm going to take this multi-surface outrageous orange paint and fill in the rays of sunshine. So the multi-surface paint sometimes is a little bit thicker, it has better coverage. Feel free to do as many coats as you need to get the solid coverage. And as you can see, I'm doing each little kind of flame ray of sunshine, and I do about 4 or 5 of those, and then I come back and fill in that ring that's the closest to the yellow part of the sun. To add a little bit more sparkle to this design, we're going to take this extreme hologram glitter paint and add it to the entire orange rays of sunshine. This will just catch the light really pretty, and it just adds a little bit of sparkle. You know me and my sparkle. To add a little bit more definition to the outside of our design, I'm going to take this Sakura Pigma fine line brush pen and just outline all of the rays of sunshine. Now I'm going to take a dotting tool and some black paint and create my eyes on the sunshine, try and make them as even as possible. And then I'm going to add white dots with a little dotting tool to give that kawaii look. Now I'm going to take a Posca PC1MR paint pen and create a wide open mouth smile. So I'm just going to make this wide part of the smile and fill it in with the black pen. I'm going to take some pink paint and a dotting tool and add some cute rosy cheeks, and then I'm going to come back with a red paint pen and create a little tongue in the bottom part of the mouth. Moving on to our second design, this one's really easy. So again, I use the paint bottle to get a nice round surface, and I'm filling in with the Liquitex gesso to give a nice base coat. I'm going to do lines for the rays of sunshine on this one, so I'm putting the gesso down exactly where I'm going to have the lines because that will help the colors pop. So I'm starting out with kind of long sweeping lines in 4 directions, evenly spaced, and then putting lines in between each of those. And then I'm going to come back through and put shorter lines in between all of the current longer lines. I'm going to use that same multi-surface yellow paint to fill in the middle of the sunshine as well as the longer rays of sunshine using a fine line paintbrush. Now I'm going to take this pale daffodil light yellow color and fill in the shorter rays of sunshine. We're going to use the extreme hologram glitter again on this design and also a gold glitter. So on the longer rays of sunshine that are the bright yellow, we're going to put gold glitter. And then on the shorter rays of sunshine, we're going to put the extreme hologram glitter paint. I'm going to use the dotting tool again, but only one eye this time, and then I'm going to use the Posca PC1MR paint pen to create a winking eye, and then also the smiley face. Then we'll finish off this design with some white dots on the open eye for that kawaii look and some rosy cheeks, and we'll move on to design number 3. Same drill using the Liquitex gesso to give a nice base coat for the circle of our sunshine. And on this design, our rays of sunshine are going to be these little upside down triangles, and they're not all going to be uniform, so some will be bigger, some will be smaller. That's kind of the appeal of the design, is that they're imperfect and different sized. So I'm going to take the gesso and do the same thing for the rays of sunshine because we're going to use the yellow paint on everything here, the rays of sunshine and the middle. Now I'm going to come back to that gold glitter paint and a dotting tool so I can add the glitter paint nice and thick onto each of those upside down triangles. This will give a really sparkly look that adds a whole bunch of dimension to the design. For the face on this one, we're going to have 2 upside down U shapes for closed eyes, a cute little smile, and some rosy cheeks. Really simple, but really cute. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it gets you thinking about the sunshine we're going to get in spring and summer. It snowed this weekend here, so I'm looking forward to some sunshine. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks so much for stopping by to watch, and I'll see you next time. Take care.